used to be the sound barrier. I don't know if he can move that fast now, but at the age of 60, pero Barry Pascua, the birth month continues. Prochina, and she will score that one off of Ella De Jesus.
I remember his voice because when you listen to the AM station, that's lagi Ponto.
Prochina. And because it's the official ball of the Shakey's B-League. Rosale getting it across. Here's Ferrer. Combination. Ella De Jesus.
Oh, good dig.
Here's Kite Rosale on the second ball. That's good enough. Yung ngiti ni Rosale every time she scores, trademark talaga, you know. Parang, uy, nakaisa ako. Uy, nakaisa ako, parating ganun. And after about 4 or 5 years in the UAAP, sort of get used to it already.
Di na siya nagre-react.
Hervasio. Wow, what a dig by Prochina. Mirabueno, free ball from Mata. Quick set. Here's Mirabueno now for Mata.
Wow.
Through the defense of Ella.
Team effort by Navy.
The lead is down to 5. Once again, mukhang magandang bunot dito kay Mirabueno, ha?
Yeah.
The offense has actually been working pretty well with her on the floor right now. Ella. Prochina. Susan off the net. And Ella gets it across. Mata for Rosale. Llaneta. Here's Mirabueno. Going to Susan. Scores again. 4 na lang po ang abante ng Ateneo.
Navy refusing to give up.
Wow, Philippine Navy has found their second win early. Eileen Susan, injured arm and all, still able to produce. Prochina now to put it in play. Here's Hervasio. Wow, that is a rare connection problem between Ferrer and Hervasio. They have been together for 5 years. And now all of a sudden, Parley Tupas has seen the lead evaporate.
Baloy mo. Puro lang kalabit ang ginagawa mo.
FU Makati is offering the following degree programs: accountancy, accounting technology, information technology, and business administration. Call 836-2002 or visit www.fu.edu.ph.
Pang commercial.
If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
For DTI purpose.
Oh, what a serve. Ella. Mirabueno now for Mata. And Mata scores again!
New life for Navy. That ball just clips the line.
Boy, Daphne Mata came off the bench. And itong si Maylene Mirabueno also came off the bench. Prochina, good serve! 17-16. Kanina, 8 ang abante ng Ateneo. And now Eliza Valdez has to check back in. Llaneta is replaced. Mai Prochina
has been serving for quite a while now.
Right, now she's serving to tie things up. Here's Valdez, getting it across. Mirabueno. Susan off the block and we are tied.
Are you kidding me?
Galing sa 8 puntos na hinahabol yan, ha?
It's slowly but surely, no? Navy, talagang team effort.
I have to correct myself. It's actually 9 points, 10-1 at one point.
Solid serving by Mai Prochina.
Hervasio! Sabi ni Deposoy, ayoko na. Sa harapan niya talaga bumagsak eh. Tejada trying to protect this 1-point lead on her service.
Game captain for the Philippine Navy.
So Deposoy has now just been designated as the team captain as Joanna Botor Carpio continues to ride the bench. Mirabueno. Rosales!
They have the lead.
Ayun na naman yung ngiti ni Kite. Oh. She has so much fun on the floor.
Oh no, we're tied. Sorry, we're tied at 18 apiece.
Here's Valdez. Banggaan doon. Galido getting it through. Oh, again Eileen Suson. I don't think she's injured. Suson gives the lead to the Philippine Navy. Gretchen Ho back in the game. Nakachi sits down.
So no more experimenting.
Kailangan lang makuha yung panalo rito. Ferrer. Back set. Good block there from Rosale. Rosale blocks it again. And Rosale is responsible for that.
2-point lead now for Navy.
And ang maganda pa rito yung timing ng Navy, yung pace nila. They were down by 9 and now they have come back towards the end game to get the lead. Double attack for Ateneo. Suson for Deposoy, blocked there by Gretchen Ho. Oh, nobody there. Galido has to get it across, and it does not find its way in.
Sorry, error for Navy, but it's cute when you saw them all.
Time out Nene Ibanez, who is actually also smiling at this point. The first time these two teams met, Ateneo won in straight sets over the Philippine Navy. Of course, that time they had Phil Cainglet in their lineup. Now in the absence of Phil Cainglet, Ella De Jesus has been playing well.
At the service zone,
And De Jesus with the serve. Mirabueno. Deposoy scores. 21-19.
That's right, Navy's still at it.
The Philippine Navy has found the fountain of youth. Ilagay nila sa kanilang tubig yun. 21-19. Eileen Suson with an ace. Boy, Ateneo's just falling apart here in the end game. Up by 9 early.
This is where, you know, experience comes into play.
Suson. Here's Eliza. And Eliza Valdez restores matters for Ateneo, but they're still down by 2. Again, volleyball clinic time. How to execute the perfect open spike. Hervasio jump
And
serve.
where is the fountain of youth?
Wow. Hervasio, mukhang nag-wear off na yung effects. Panandalian lang pala yun. Sa recto nabili, sa recto. Kung sabay simbahan sa Santa Cruz, pwede na. 22-21. Hervasio again.
Wow.
Rosale. Oh, that one goes out. It looked in. But the linesman makes the call. It is out. We are tied at 22. Then Ibanez sues for time as Ateneo has strung together 2 in a row.
Above shoulder out. Ayupo ka na eh. Huwag mo na po na hayaan yung pag bumatak. Basta above shoulder ka na, huwag mo na po na hayaan. Okay, so magandang receive. Atake tayo. Error natin yan. Kaya nagkaya lang
started it again. This is the attack of Kite Rosales when we get it rolling. There you go.
Tied at 22. Set number 3. At the service zone, number 8.
Oh, I don't know.
I think it hit the
It
line.
looked like it was in. Nevertheless, we are tied at 22. Gervasio. That jump serve working so well for her. And on the serve alone of Gervasio, Ateneo has reclaimed the lead. 23-22.
Service. Gervasio.
She can do this again and again and again. Muscle memory na niya itong jump serve na to. Here it is again. Mira Bueno now. Sets up Deposoy. That's through the block.
Wow, good save.
And Valdez gives it up. Chance now for Rosales. Rosales. Again Rosales. Gretchen Ho. Eliza Valdez lost track of where the ball was.
23.
Tied at 23. And Eliza. Mas nahiya siya eh.
She parang nag-crumble siya to the ground.
Oh, para saan ako magtatago dito? Rosales to serve. Tied at 23 now here in set number 3. Ferrer running attack. Gretchen! And that will score. Gretchen on the running attack. Set point now for Ateneo. Parang ano yun, parang automatic na puntos yun.
Team captain.
Gretchen Ho goes to that running attack.
That's right.
And now Gretchen Ho has to serve for the set. Suson. Mira Bueno. Prochina. Oh, Gretchen Ho lost her footing there.
But it's still in play.
But it's a gift now for the Philippine Navy. Deposoy!
Deposoy's been playing the game of her life here.
Right. Deposoy, Suson, and Mata, along with Mira Bueno. That is a great core right now. This is the best lineup now for the Philippine Navy. And not to take anything away from Joanna Botor-Carpio and Janet Serafica. Combination now. Eliza long. Set point now for the Philippine Navy. And Parley Tupas wants to make sure about this next reception.
Set point. Philippine Navy.
So the Philippine
Who'd have
Navy,
thought,
well, you know what? They deserve it. The Philippine Navy, they deserve to be where they are right now. They work very, very hard here in set number 3 to come back from 9 points down. Eto ngayon, Gretchen Deposoy. Here is Eliza Valdez, dug up there by Suson. Mira Bueno, Daphne Mata, and Daphne Mata goes wide. That was close again. And Mahi Prochina is bleeding. That was close.
I also saw the people from the bench, they all stood up. I mean, to talk about the bench of Navy, they stood up hoping that they'd get the set.
Right. Race to 27 right now. Mira Bueno for Prochina.
Oh!
Mahi Prochina gives Navy another set point.
That is hard for you.
Right. And now Mira Bueno serving for the set.
Wow.
Great
good
serve. Here's Ferrer. Oh, does not get it through. And a come from behind win in set number 3 for the Philippine Navy. Down 10-1 at one point. And they now lead 2 sets to 1.
And you're right, they so deserve it.
They deserve it because they work very hard to get back into the game, and they pulled the rug from under Ateneo. As we take a look at our shake and play, Mahi Prochina getting it through for the Philippine Navy.